You're my everything. You and me, 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 you and me,
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Desiree, and as you know, I am engaged to Ruben. We are actually having our engagement party this weekend, so I will be giving my bridesmaids who will be there their bridesmaid proposal boxes. And if you don't know what that is, basically the new thing, or I don't know if it's existed before, but you basically put together a little gift or some like little gesture to ask, will you be a part of it with me? So they have proposal boxes or proposal gifts, proposal gestures to ask them, will you be my bridesmaid? So I've done my research, I figured out what I like, what I don't like, and figured out what the theme of my wedding is gonna be, because I wanted to kind of be cohesive. I love blush, I love white, I love gold. That's pretty much the aesthetic of my boxes, and I'm gonna walk you through what I put in them and the struggle and the whole just process. So here's what they look like once they've already been wrapped, but this one's not even done yet. This is what it looks like without the ribbon. So it's just like a little tassel in the front. And this is what it looks like when you open the box. Let me move this. So it says their name on each box with like the floral theme, and it has everything inside. These custom Will You Be My Bridesmaids cards, you can order them on Etsy, you can order them on Amazon. There are different websites where you can just Google search custom bridesmaid proposal cards, and there is going to be a whole bunch of stuff. But what I actually did was I made these myself. I have Photoshop on my phone, so I literally took the image that I liked, which is blush and flowers, and I just got them printed at Walgreens. I have an app where you could just select any photo in your camera roll and hit print, and they'll be ready for pickup. Easier than ordering them online and having to wait if you're like in a rush. Besides that, I'm gonna take this one apart because this one's not ready. The other one's already like ready to go. First things first, I saw a set of 4 with these bath bombs. So you basically throw one of these in the water and it changes the color of the water. It makes them smell, it makes bubbles. They're just like the new trendy thing, bath bombs, and I love them. So after this, I did get these soap roses. If you put these in water, it'll actually turn into soap. So instead of just getting regular flowers, I got scented soap. After that, I got these rose gold EOS chapsticks. Some of them are like a cream color, but again, my theme is more neutral. So I got rose gold and I got cream, and everyone has a different color. So then I got these little travel size perfumes. Again, most of the things that I got were in sets of 4. So I wasn't gonna have to like shop individually. It was just in a package set, and they have them JCPenney's, they have them at Macy's, they have them at Marshall, everywhere. Especially right now that we're having our engagement party in December. Right now there's a ton of like gift sets for like little trinkets like this because of Christmas. So there's these Christmas sets, and I just bought all the sets that come with 4s or more and separated them for each girl. Besides that, I gave them a couple of cute pins. Some of them say wake up and makeup, like with makeup on it, and then there's a cute blush pen with gold on it, so each girl gets 2 pins. Then there's these little packages of tattoos. They're little gold tattoos, and has hearts and arrows, and it says like Team Bride that I got at Spencer's, and I just put them in these little clear baggies so that it's not just like a giant strip of tattoos in the box. It just takes away from the cuteness. So everything is very small and petite. I also got the Maid of Honor a little tray for like jewelry and stuff that says yay. And then the girls also got the I Can't Tie the Knot Without You with a little bracelet, adjustable bracelet that comes with a little knot. So get it, a little knotted bracelet, I Can't Tie the Knot Without You. They go together. So that's pretty much the only thing that comes in it. I know a lot of other proposal boxes have like champagne or socks or the robes, but because my wedding's gonna be so far away, I just wanted little trinkets for them to like enjoy until we get to the whole wedding stuff. And for the inside, I just bought these bags. They have them at Michael's, and a lot of people use the paper shredded, like the crinkly one at the bottom, which also is cute, but because my box is like a jewelry box, the white paper, I didn't think it like went well together. This like fluorescent style shredded stuff, what is this called? Iridescent shred, that's what this is called, iridescent. So I take a handful, and I bought 5 bags, and then I just stuff it in, and you want to put like a decent amount so it stays like higher into the box instead of just sinking in. Okay, this is how I was able to fit all of the soaps and trinkets. As you can see, it was a tight squeeze. And then the ribbon, since the box itself is blush and gold, I was going to aim for white, but I thought it'd be too harsh considering everything was very neutral. So I saw one that was very champagne-y, more tan, and that's what I was aiming for, but I didn't find it anywhere. I ended up getting this like cream color. It's almost white, but not white exactly. I'm also going to put these labels. They had such cute white and gold plain labels, but the line was huge, so I said I'll just come back tomorrow, and then they sold out. So I had to opt out for this pink, white, and gold label that I'm gonna put through the ribbon so that I know whose is whose, because obviously the names are inside, so I can just give anyone any box. So I'm gonna write their names on these cards, put it through the ribbon, and it'll be on the box. So that pretty much concludes my bridesmaid boxes. If you have any questions in regards to the details, let me know. But again, everything should be custom to the bride's style. So yeah, good luck, and until next time, bye-bye.